Time for Werk.One unboxing, starting with the artwork. I know there are several different prints, and this one's my favorite, so I'm so stoked that that's the one I got. Going into the box, I struggled a little bit to get it out because there was a surprise included for me. Zom, you're the absolute best. I'm so excited about this Moloko cable from Keep Stuff. I didn't expect it, and I so appreciate it. We have gaskets. Lots of gaskets and a few daughter board cables because I did get extra PCBs and extra plates so that I can do different swap outs. I'm going to hold off on going into the keyboard case quite yet. And there is the authentication card. I'm not going to share that because that's mine. I don't want anyone recreating it, but all the paper that these things are printed on is beautiful and iridescent. Like I said, there's a ton in here. That's the PCB designed by E. Bastler, and it's gorgeous. That's a solderable one because once I figure out what my final switch components will be for its final form, I'll probably try to solder myself for the first time. The FR4 plate, you guys know I love my FR4, so I have a couple of those, and it's beautiful as well, although I still would love a white or cream one. Hot swap PCB and the aluminum plate. I know aluminum's not really my thing, but I wanted to be able to try different sound signatures and configurations. It does have some foam. That's just for a little bit of different sound options, but it's not necessary. And then another surprise. I did not order a copper plate, but I received one. And again, I appreciate you so much, Zom. And I think that's my last FR4 plate. So that's for easy swapping out. I also got the Moloko badges, so that's the cream ones versus the copper ones, and I wanted to have that depending on what I do for my configurations, and one more piece of art. And now the final piece of art, the Moloko Werk.One. It is gorgeous, but oh my gosh, is this heavy. You are going to watch me struggle to just lift it and turn it in all the various directions, but I was in awe. I sped this up so much because I'm just moving it and staring at it, and it is as beautiful as any render. I can't believe it turned out this well. I mean, I can because Zom's like a maniac with the details of the design and everything, but it's beyond anything I could have hoped for. Typing test to come soon.